AI to save 10 hours every week in your business? Do you feel busy all day, but at the end, nothing is important done? If you are always working in your business but never on your business, this video is for you. How can AI help save time? Today, I'll show you how AI can help you save up to 10 hours every week by fixing the biggest time wasting problem in your business. So most business owner think they don't have time problem, but the truth is they have repetition problem. So what is repetition problem? I'll explain you. Repeating the same task every day, like email, customer replies, content, thinking, and planning. What does repetition do? It slowly drains your energy and time. So the problem is email and messages overloaded. You open your inbox and WhatsApp again. Most messages are similar, but you reply manually every time. So here AI can help you to draft your email templates, create your ready-made WhatsApp replies, respond faster and moves more professionally. So the result is it can save up one and a half hour if you leverage average time, and if you do manually it will not save your time. So this is how AI can help you in saving your time. And the problem too is, what should I post today? Every time, like whenever you do what should I post today, AI can generate post, write caption, and create weekly content plan, saving you 2 hours every week. Now the problem 3 is unclear planning. Many business owners starts the day without a plan. This leads to reacting instead of focusing. So AI power planning for business owner. It creates a daily list. AI plans your entire week, break down big problems into tasks, reacting instead of focusing. So in this way you'll save 2 to 3 hours weekly. Now the problem 4 is repeating customer question. Customer often ask the same questions: pricing, timing, process. Answering them again and again waste time. So AI solution is, it can help you create FAQ replies, draft customer responses, standardize communication. So the result is you'll save 1 to 2 hours every week. Now the problem 5 is thinking alone all the time. Business owner do too much thinking alone. This leads to slow decision and mental exhaustion. So use AI as a thinker partner. Ask for ideas, ask for ideas. Problem 5, thinking all alone all the time. Business owner do too much thinking alone. This leads to slow down decision and mental exhaustion. So AI use AI as thinking partner, ask for ideas, improve decisions, see problems from customers' view. So it will help you to make better decision and take less stress. And finally, you don't need to work longer hours. You need to work smarter. Save 10 hours a week is possible when you stop doing repetitive work manually. AI will not replace business owner, but owners who use AI will move faster. Subscribe to AI, subscribe to Smart Step Learning AI for Business Growth to learn how to save time and sm- grow smarter with using AI. So, empower business owner with AI for growth. AI transform wasted time into strategic production. Thank you for watching.